Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Meddie Medical Director of Holistic International Comprehensive Care. Here in HICC, we are doing our best to fight aging and degenerative diseases. Stem cell therapy is the most innovative therapy in the newest field of medicine, and that is regenerative medicine. A lot of studies is done to help bring stem cell therapy from just plain medical research to clinics and now to patients. Regenerative medicine helps patients with chronic diseases be a better form of themselves, younger looking, feeling younger, with a lot less pain. We are using highly viable, adult, mesenchymal stem cells from human donors from our international partners. Stem cell therapy is the highest form of regenerative medicine because it contains baby cells that helps regenerate and restore damaged cells and organs. To know more, contact us through our social media pages. Thank you!